Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Home XP-255. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. What we want to do is unbox this stuff. This printer is actually a used one, okay, but I want to check this printer out and review it, okay. This printer is using ink 29 or 29 extra. Okay, and this is the CD-ROM. This is for you to stick this to your laptop to download the software. So this is software disk, okay, XP-255. So you stick this to your computer, you download the software. But if you connect this printer using your mobile device, then you don't need the software. And this is the photo paper, value glossy photo paper, and this is information pack. The power cable, let's see what it looks like. So from the back, you load particular paper. Rear paper tray is this printer using, so you load particular paper you want to use. The back rear paper tray, and this is the scanner, flat bell scanner for this printer. If you open up this printer, the ink cartridges is by the corner, okay. Going to plug this to the power. And at the back here, so the USB cable goes in here, and the power cable goes. This is where the power cable goes. So we're going to plug this to the power socket. Okay, and this printer, you switch it on and off from here. This is the on and off button. So this is the on and off button. So switch this printer on. Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Home XP-255. I want to show you how to replace the ink. To replace the ink for this printer, you need to open it up, and once you open it up, you need to press the cancel button, okay, or you can see press this button here for the ink. Press it once, and when you press it once, it will release the ink holder to move from the corner to this, okay. Now the next is you need to press this again once, and when you press it once, then it will go to the right position where you will replace the ink. So now this ink holder is positioned correctly at the correct space to replace the ink. Then you need to hold the particular ink you want to replace, hold it together. Okay, so this is how to remove the ink. Then to put this back, then you put the ink, start from cyan, go in. Okay, now the next is magenta, go in. Okay, the next on the list is yellow. Okay, press it down. The next is black, and this ink cartridge is 29, number 29. You can also use number 29 extra. And once you've done, the next thing to do is press this once, press the cancel button once, and the ink will move, will go back inside. Okay, you can see the ink is now set at the correct position. Then you close this down. Okay, so this is how to replace the ink. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed.